I'm Brandon and this is Ryan, and here at Axiom 360 we're dedicated to providing quality customer experience and premium products. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to myself or Ryan. We're here for you day in, day out till the project's done. Another question we get is what is the solar tax credit? Who qualifies and how much is it?
Yeah, so the solar tax credit is actually a federal tax credit. So anybody who doesn't like giving their money to the federal government is a good candidate to look into solar. 30% of your total system cost is going to be eligible as dollar for dollar money that you won't have to spend in federal taxes. There's also additional depreciations available for commercial projects and even bonus depreciations that let you take their maximum savings year one. So if you're interested in learning more about the solar tax credit, just reach out to our team here at Axiom 360 and we'll be able to point you in the right direction to see how that might help you in your specific situation.